Here, it's your boy Dubs Daily. Video for today. See right there, came off of a Mk5 Jetta GLI. So it's a GLI side skirts. Gonna be getting those wiped down, sanded, painted, and hopefully installed all today on 2.5. I'm gonna be spray painting it gloss black. You already know the vibes, man. I'm gonna be using Rust-Oleum Gloss Black. Again, it's been treating me good. I do like the paint and how it comes out. And it's a 2K paint and primer, so I don't have to worry about getting a gray primer paint and all that, and then getting a separate gloss black paint, you know. This is good. And also bonds to plastic, so I'm gonna be using that, and then using the clear coat to make it more gloss, and then yeah. So let's get this started, man. You wanna wipe these down with a nice wet cloth, and then wipe it down with a nice dry cloth. Then we're gonna be sanding. Now, I'm gonna use a dry cloth. Got them wiped down, hand dried, and let them air dry for a little bit. Then we're gonna get them sanded and then place on these plastic bags for painting, and then hopefully slap it on the car. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. I took a major L recently, bought some rims, decided to get them slapped on and everything. Did a test fit and incorrect bolt pattern. Although in the description it said it was a specific bolt pattern. The only reason I couldn't exactly check is because I didn't know exactly what brand the rims were. So I did all my research after and took an L, rims didn't fit, so I'm gonna be selling them back and I'm gonna be getting some new rims. So stay tuned for that. There you go, nice and dry. Right here, it is chipped, broken, whatever you want to call it, but I'm not really tripping about it because it is going to be under the vehicle. So unless you're really ducking your head under my car to see all the imperfections, then, you know, do you, but I'm not tripping about it. It's whatever. Yeah, let's get these sanded. And I'm going to be using 800 grit sandpaper to get these sanded, and I'm ready to paint. Yikes. Don't follow me. Oh, again? Come on. There you go, they're both sanded. I'm about to give them one final wipe down just to remove any sanding dust or anything, and then get them on the plastic to get painted. Instead of just doing it on the floor, I planted it up on the frame of a glass table so I can at least get all angles without having to touch it and rotating and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get it started. Gonna be getting my Rust-Oleum, and I'm gonna give it one complete coat of the Rust-Oleum and then go over it with probably 2 more coats. Before I start this, I don't have a mask, but you guys should always wear a mask because these fumes can be deadly. But I don't have one on me, so I'm going to suffer right now, but don't be me. Use a mask. First coat is applied. Gonna wait for that to dry up a bit, and I'm gonna be applying about 2 more coats, I believe. And we'll see how this turns out. So they're pretty much dried up right now. Going for coat 2 and possibly 3. So the last coat has been applied. Just gonna wait for this to dry up before I apply some clear coat. Yeah, I see that the side skirts do look kind of grainy, but it's only because of the material that these ones are made from. A lot of other side skirts are like smooth ABS plastic, so you're not gonna see like, link it for you. You're not gonna see all of this, but it's just how the side skirts are made, so that's why it looks like that. But I'm gonna wait for these to dry up, and then we'll be good to go. All right, ready to spray the clear coat. This is all dried up, but my girlfriend wants to try it, so she better not mess this up. Eh? Look at you, so antsy these days. But when you're doing it, please just, you know, one motion, or back and forth if you want. One motion. Keep a decent distance away, at least like right here, so you're not wetting it up like that. Okay. Okay. And yeah, just please. All right, please. Yeah, just To spray it, go. That's not it yet. You have to get like around the edges of the side skirt too. Okay. See, too heavy. Oh, give me that. Bye. So the clear coat is applied. Just gonna give it about a day or two to fully cure, and then I'll be ready to slap them on to my vehicle out there and cover up that nastiness. To repair it, I might as well just get a new car. So I'm just gonna cover it for now. And yeah, see you guys then.
The next day.
Alright, we are back. These things secured pretty nicely, to be honest. Doesn't look too bad. So now for the final steps, basically to complete all this, just gonna be taking the side skirts, gonna be rubbing it down with adhesion promoter on where the original 3M tape was. I already scraped it off. But yeah, gonna be rubbing those areas with the adhesion promoter. Then I'm gonna be getting 3M tape, pasting it over the old areas, sticking it onto the car, and then to add extra protection, of course, gonna be screwing it in places where hopefully I can screw. Some areas might be difficult because, especially on my driver's side rocker. Let me just, it's loud, hold on. Yeah, areas like this, there's not gonna be much support at the bottom, so it's gonna make the job a lot more difficult when it comes to screwing. But on the passenger side, not too bad. You know, I'm gonna have a lot more support when it comes to screwing, but yeah, that's about it. Adhesion promoter, 3M tape, slap it on, screw, and then we will see the end product. Before using adhesion promoter, you always want to be wearing gloves. You don't want that shit to get on your hands. Much better. Holy frig, I don't have to look at that rust no more. For now, at least. Oh, that's much better. I'm not gonna lie to you. You can see it's not lined up 100% the best. I realized that right after I did a hard push and I could have lined it up better, but again, it's okay. I'm not tripping about it, so no one else should be. You know, like for real. This side isn't too bad. I lined it up a lot better on this side. Okay, this is much better. Don't watch that primer spot. If you guys follow me on IG, you know exactly why that's like that. And if you follow me on IG again, or you've seen the car in my previous videos, you know what was there. So don't watch that for right now. Anyways, that's the main focus. Got those slapped on. I'm gonna be slapping some extra screws where I can, just to get it all sealed up. And then, yeah, we'll be good to go, man. But I'm not gonna show you guys all of that. You guys saw it is on. I'm gonna stop some extra screws, secure it more, but that's how it looks right now. Much better. Y'all let me know how you feel about it, all right? Like, comment, subscribe, share. You guys know the vibes, man. More content coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Follow me on IG, dubsdaily.mark5. Link is in the description. Click it, hit follow, hit subscribe, whatever you can do to stay in touch with what I'm doing, all right? If this Jetta lasts me, I promise you guys it's gonna be crazy, all right? I promise you, if it lasts me. All right, that's it for you guys. I'm out.